Today, we're going to make some potassium fertilizer. Here I have some leftover cantaloupe peels. They're high in potassium, which is great for plants. Other kitchen scraps like banana peels and potato skins are also rich in potassium, and you can use them too. Today, let's turn these into organic potassium fertilizer for our houseplants, flowers, and even fruits and vegetables. First, let's chop them up. The smaller, the better. If you have a juicer, blending them into a puree works even better. It speeds up the fermentation process. Do you know what happens when plants lack potassium? It can cause issues like leaf edges turning brown, leaves curling, or turning yellow. These problems affect the plant's ability to photosynthesize. Potassium is essential for photosynthesis, cell growth, and division in plants. Without enough potassium, plants grow slowly or develop poorly. It also impacts fruit development and quality, causing fruits to shrink, yields to decrease, and the overall quality to drop. Potassium also helps plants strengthen their immune system and fight off pests. Without it, plants are more vulnerable to diseases and pests. To make sure your plants get enough potassium, let's get started. We'll need two key ingredients, brown sugar and M bacteria. We've talked about these in previous videos. To put it simply, one provides nutrients, and the other helps grow more beneficial bacteria. Together, they speed up the fermentation process and prevent bad odors. It's really that simple. I'm using a small bottle today since I don't need much material. Now, let's fill the bottle with the chopped fruit peels. Some people bury fruit peels directly in the soil, but that's not a good idea. If you do that, you might attract pests. When you bury fresh kitchen scraps, like lettuce leaves and fruit peels, they can attract large, grayish earthworms that aren't beneficial for your soil. These worms damage plant roots, unlike the small, red worms that help aerate the soil. So, never bury unfermented food scraps in your garden soil. Now, we'll add a little M bacteria. It's packed with dozens of beneficial bacteria, and when we add brown sugar, we're feeding them, helping them grow even more. Next, we add the brown sugar molasses. Can be used instead if you want a cheaper option. This sugar is food for the beneficial bacteria, helping them multiply and work their magic. For the right proportions, use 3 parts fruit peel, 1 part brown sugar, and 10 parts water. I'm using rice washing water, but tap water works too. If you use tap water, let it sit in the sun for a few days before using it. This helps remove chlorine, which can harm plant roots and their ability to absorb nutrients and water. Fill the bottle until it's about 3/4 full. Don't overfill it. Now, shake everything well to mix the M bacteria, sugar, fruit peels, and rice washing water. Then, close the lid. But remember, every 2 to 3 days, release some gas from the bottle. Don't unscrew the cap too quickly. Slowly loosen it to let the gas escape without causing a spill. Store the bottle in a cool, shaded place for fermentation. That's it. In a few weeks, we'll have our own organic potassium fertilizer ready for use.